Welcome back to the jacobcrypobury YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to delve into CrediFi, a new ecosystem out there that is pumping massively over the month, as we can see right here. And actually, guys, I want to be completely straight with you. I called this one in my Discord literally just on the 29th of March, a few days ago. Got you guys in at 0.025. It's now up nearly 2x. So if you do want to get these early insights and benefits, my Patreon down below is exactly the place to find coins like these. But we could still see some more major continuation for this ecosystem with its powerful utility and fundamentals right here. So CrediFi currently not trading on too many crazy big exchanges, right? You can see it's on one centralized exchange right here, being KuCoin, and that's where most of the volume is coming from at the moment. You can see 33.73 million self-reported market capitalization here. And I just really want to talk about this token really and what its next potential moves could be. So it has been, of course, massively bullish over here over the last 7 days, from 0.025 up to local highs of $0.054. And this is where things can get potentially exciting. So innovative lending for real-world impact. Invest in EU SME loans backed by real-world assets collateral. So this is another RWA coin. We recently looked at Emerald, which was a real-world assets project as well, and it went absolutely parabolic. So we can see more than 50 SMEs are involved. It says, welcome to CrediFi, the innovative lending platform that offers crypto lending collateralized with real-world assets over here. Our mission is to bridge the gap in debt financing in the European Union and facilitate real-world impact by providing fair and accessible lending solutions to small and medium-sized enterprises. With CrediFi, you can access reliable loans. So yeah, really cool to see this. We can see I'm proud to lead a company that is committed to making a positive impact. There is a CEO, Ivo Grigorov, and I guess it has a sort of docs and KYC flair about it as well. So I think this could potentially do quite well. This is what the dashboard looks like, where you can see the lending, the borrowing protocol, the earning side of things, and the staking side of things as well. You can also see your loans, which you can manage right there too. You're going to get peer-to-peer lending, autonomous earning, corporate brands, and portfolio lending at the same time too. So lenders can benefit from stable and predictable returns on loans collateralized by real-world assets over here. And there's a massive debt financing gap in the hundreds of billions, as you can see right there. And that is what they want to be, the blockchain solution to this. So yeah, it's quite a crazy one. I've never seen anything like it, but CrediFi's platform offers a robust and multi-layered security mechanism to protect the assets of its users. So it's pretty awesome to see. It's quite sophisticated. It's accessible on KuCoin, it's accessible on ApeSwap, and also on PancakeSwap. I believe it is natively an ERC20 token, as you can see on the Ethereum chain right here. When we click over, there are 2,100 holders, a max total supply of 943 billion tokens as well. So pretty interesting to see this. Looking at the breakdown, you've got a few wallets here. KuCoin have quite a hefty amount as well, actually, is what you can see. KuCoin have got around 20%. Chainport, Vault over here has a few as well. So that's just something to also consider, that we can see some exchanges are holding the tokens at the same time too. Now, CrediFi, on their Twitter, they are branded as innovative lending, as you can see, for real-world impact. CrediFi bridges the EU's financing gap by connecting crypto lenders with SME borrowers, and that is pretty cool to see right there. Other big things that recently happened is, you can see March was a bustling month for CrediFi finance, and for CrediFi, it says they had some big milestones. So one of them was Crypto Expo Europe. They went to like a bigger expedition, getting brand out there. Another was media outlets coverage, where they garnered notable attention from various media outlets. RWA as collateral as well. Tech updates and enhancements, also profit sharing snapshots, and an Ask Me Anything with the Burp Nest. So look at that, it just goes on and on and on. Token price action, you can see this is basically what happened in March. The full recap is all of these bullish events took place here for this particular project. So this is quite exciting, and overall I think, just makes the whole ecosystem look very robust. Lots of fundamentals and lots of good things could potentially happen for this particular ecosystem in the overall future. Looking at Bitcoin halving as well, in conjunction of, in the light of altcoins, because we want Bitcoin to be performing very well when these altcoins are trading and live. I think 16 days out from the halving, I think if we do get that upside continuation, we can see more pumpiness for coins like this. So just overall looking at the charts here for CrediFi, massive surge up to 0.075. So there has been a little bit of a correction from that region. Obviously a lot of selling pressure there, as you can see. But at the moment, it looks like we're just correcting around that 0.618 and 0.786 key Fibonacci levels. And overall, that's what I can see at the moment, is that we did bounce to that 0.786 at 0.04. We got a bit of reaccumulation there, and you can just see these sort of lowering resistance ranges in almost like a descending triangle fashion. While typically a bearish reversal pattern, we could still get a harsh breakout of here. We could still see more price movement to the upside, and if we do retest previous highs, we could be looking at 30, 40, 50, even up to 70% on a breakout from this particular level that we are seeing. Now looking at the ecosystem, it's a $34 million market cap, $200,000 of liquidity right here. I can't see any liquidity being locked yet. Only 2K holders, so that's the exciting part. 20K holders will obviously grow this ecosystem massively, and the DEX tool score is actually a very solid 99 out of 99. So that's also very nice to see as well. But overall, we want to see more buying volume. We want to see more pampiness for this particular coin. It is a low cap gem, so in reality, just looking at what's happened, it could move much higher in the next coming weeks and days, depending on what Bitcoin does and everything else. Of course, we still have a lot of diagonal support along here as well. And I just think overall we're in a pretty good place. The charts look bullish, hasn't collapsed. We had loads of volume just literally yesterday. The volume has come down a little bit, so we're hoping to see some more volume come in for the project. But it could still be a good 2, 3, 5, maybe even 10x up for grabs with this ecosystem. So if you do want to explore this particular coin right here, have a little look down below, do a bit of research. I've got a link where you can check it out. You can of course get this on, these different markets over here as well, if you do feel like dabbling in to this particular one. Remember, this is not financial advice. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. But CrediFi, it's looking good. It's looking like a nice sort of ecosystem with some serious value behind the scenes. And if they do get some DEX or further centralized exchange launches, this will overall be very, very bullish for the CrediFi ecosystem. So keep your eyes peeled on it, and hopefully more updates to come soon. But like I say, guys, I got you in very early inside the Discord right here, where you can see I put that link before April, and things are already moving fast. So if you do want to take advantage of that, find more gems like CrediFi, you can become a crypto legend or a crypto champion down below in my Patreon. See you there. Thanks for watching. Let me know down below what you think of CrediFi. And if you want to hit your crypto goals this 2024, do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.